What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little weekend vlog. I think I'm gonna film today and tomorrow. It's Saturday today and it's my baby niece's birthday party, so I'm gonna quickly get ready for that. I was up pretty late last night, so my alarm didn't even go off when I wanted to get up. I wanted to get up at 8 and here I am waking up late. So I'm gonna get ready. I will check up with you guys once I'm there. Okay, let's do our makeup. Okay, I think I'm finished. I might have forgot something, but I'm gonna grab my coffee. We're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna change. So I'm gonna use this waiver from Luxe Skin that I haven't used before, so I'm pretty excited. Let me turn this down. I'm gonna do this all over and then I'll probably just check in with you guys once I'm out the door. I don't wanna run late. I'm putting volumizing dry shampoo here. Okay, now I'm gonna put up my hair. I think I'll do like half up, half down because it just seems easy. I just put you guys right there. So I'm all ready to go. So this top is from Princess Polly. I'll have it linked in the description. These pants are some beige trousers. I won't have them linked because I got them from SIRENS like 3 years ago. So I don't know if I'll be able to find them. And then this bag I got from Winners, but it's just a see-through brown bag. I thought it would look really cute with this. And then jewelry here, these are from Shein. That is from my dad. And then I got some jewelry from Stella, Shein, and VM Jewelers. And then this name bracelet here, which says Kisha. I got it from the name necklace. So I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, that's my cute little fit. I'm all ready to go. My hair is kind of wavy, but oh, I have to put some hairspray in before I go. And then I got my baby Catalina's gift here. It's her birthday today, so I've got the card here. I didn't want to wrap everything because it's a lot of stuff. I got her a little laundry basket for her room, so I thought it'd be perfect to just stuff everything in there since it all fit. So that is her gift, and I'm really excited. I got her some clothes, hangers, and all that stuff. You guys will probably see, I'll probably film it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you guys once I get there. Got here. I'm gonna unpack everything because I have to bring that inside and I obviously can't hold my camera. And then I have to do my cousin's makeup, so we have to hurry up and get inside and help her with that. And then everyone should be coming pretty soon, so. Who's turning 1 today? Catalina, say hi. Say hi to all the subscribers. So she's turning 1 today. And we've got her little setup down there. We're super excited. You're just a big girl. I'm here a little early to get her ready and to get her mummy ready.
We're gonna hurry up and do that, right?
She's gonna get ready, so we will check in when all these girls are ready. So exhausted. It's 1:19 in the morning. First off, my cousin lives like an hour away and we didn't leave till 12. It was a long drive, but I'm home and I'm just ready for bed. It was a very fun birthday for Catalina. I love her so much. But yeah, that was her birthday and I'm just gonna get ready for bed and I will talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. So it's Sunday. It's actually 11:45. That is probably the latest I've actually just stayed in bed for a while now because I never really stay in bed, but I'm so tired today. Like, I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna force myself to get up. I wanna go grocery shopping today. I wanna edit a video that I wanna post. Oh yeah, I wanted to clean my room a little bit. I wanna vacuum it. Okay, it's time to get up and out of this bed. Okay, I'm nice and awake. I'm gonna go downstairs now. So I decided to head back upstairs and vacuum my room. The first thing I like to do is choose a playlist on Spotify. I love listening to old school music when I clean. And then I'm going to pour some Arm & Hammer carpet powder to help with the odor and help loosen up the debris. And for my vacuum, I'm using the Tenneco Pure 1 S12 Smart Vacuum. This one comes with a bunch of different attachments which can be used in so many different places. This vacuum does a great job vacuuming. It has an auto adjust suction power system where it increases the power if it senses a lot of debris. You can also adjust the power level just on this little slider here where I put my finger. And then that LED screen shows you the percentage of battery. So far this vacuum has done a great job cleaning the house. It's super lightweight so you can move it around easily. And also it's not too loud. You can't really hear the vacuum so you're not really disturbing everyone. I know my other vacuum was so loud and I would have to do it more later in the day, but this one I can do in the morning and it doesn't disturb anyone. One more thing, this also converts into a handheld vacuum, which I found super helpful for the top of my bed because I've been noticing that it's been getting really dusty. And then once I'm all done, I just set this to charge on the mount. This actually is a wall mount, but I just haven't found a place to put it, so I just keep it on the floor for now. I love organizing and cleaning on Sundays. I feel like it just starts my week off on a good note and I'm all organized for the week. Okay, that was a lot. I'm so tired. I just shut my blinds because it was so bright in here. I think I'm gonna take a nap. You know, I cleaned up, my bed's made, but I'm honestly so tired today and it's Sunday. I kind of want to just relax and sleep a little bit. Maybe catch up on some Grey's Anatomy. I don't even know if I'm gonna go to the grocery store today because I don't even want to leave the house. So I'm like debating if I should order some pizza or not. So I ended up just lighting some candles and I'm gonna lie here and probably have a little nap. I don't know. But that is what I'm doing right now, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done resting. I'm out of the shower and I changed into a comfy little set. It's just this blue sweatsuit from Dynamite. If you guys are interested, I'll see if I can link it down below. Okay, I'm a little woken up now. I'm going to open this package I got from e.l.f. I got it on Friday. So I opened this part and it says e.l.f. Confidence. I know this is their skincare line. So here's everything inside. It's their Holy Hydration line. So I'm gonna go through everything that I got in here. This is the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. I also have a little packet of the Daily Cleanser. So these are both the Daily Cleansers, cute. And then same with the eye cream. I have a Holy Hydration eye cream. I actually already have this one, I really like it. And then also a little packet of that as well. So I have these. And then this is the Holy Hydration face cream with SPF 30. So that's dope. And then two more things. I have the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So this, I guess, will help remove your makeup more so than the cleanser. And then this is the Holy Hydration Sleeping Mask. I've never tried this. I'm excited to try this. I love sleeping masks. Any sort of mask I really like. So I'm excited to try all this stuff. I think I'll use the cleanser and I probably won't use the Makeup Melting Balm today because I'm not wearing any makeup. But I'm definitely gonna use the cleanser tonight and then the sleeping mask. And right now I can probably use the eye cream and the face cream as well. So I've already been using the eye cream, so I really like that one. I'm excited to try the face cream as well. So let's go ahead and do that. I wanna put my light on because my light's gonna make me seem very orange. So I'm gonna use the eye cream. I'm actually just gonna use the one that I already have because it's open still. I've used it a few times now and I really like it. feels super hydrating. I really love e.l.f. because they're so affordable. So this is the Holy Hydration Face Cream. This has SPF 30. I'm not going outside, but it's always good to have face creams with sun protection. So it has a scent, but it doesn't smell overpowering, and it smells really like fresh. I like it. I like the smell of it. I think I'm gonna really like everything that I got. That's exactly what I needed for today. Since I'm staying in, I'm surprised I didn't even put anything on my face, and I totally forgot that I had this package to open. All right, so that is everything. I might as well finish with my lip balm from e.l.f. It's not part of this line, but this is the Calm Balm Hemp Drive Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Lip Balm. My camera's gonna die, you guys. That's my skincare. I'm going to relax still. I don't know what I'm doing today, so I don't know if I'll end the vlog later, but I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm probably gonna order some pizza and just chill out for today. So I'm watching Grey's Anatomy, and I've been watching it for like 3 hours. So it's dark out now. That was my Sunday. Honestly, you guys, I didn't even go to the grocery store. I'm just lazy today. I just want to take it easy and just chill at home. I want to try that e.l.f. sleeping mask, so I'll check in with you guys tonight before I head to bed. But
guess who's calling me? Carrie from our support group.
So after I ate my pizza, I was just being lazy and I binge watched Grey's Anatomy. So right now I'm going to get ready for bed because I'm exhausted. It's raining out. It just wasn't a good day. I wasn't in the mood. So I'm gonna try the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser by e.l.f. and I wonder, I should probably shake it. And then right after, I'm gonna use the sleeping mask. I wonder if I should do it with my hands or I should try this one. I kind of want to do the other brush. I'm gonna use the Duval brush. So to finish off my night, I'm gonna use the Holy Hydration Sleeping Mask. I'm excited for this. I feel like it'll be like a really thick moisturizer, similar to the one I use from Origins, but we will see. Yeah, so it's like a face cream to sleep in, I guess. I love the smell of everything in this line. I feel like everything felt super refreshing. My skin feels really good. The products felt really nice. All right, you guys, that is the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.